The secret to getting rich, slowly. Do you want to get rich slowly but surely? Are you looking for ways to increase your wealth without taking too much risk? Do you want a step-by-step guide on how to build wealth over time? If so, here is for you. Here we'll outline the simple steps that can help you create a successful long-term investment strategy and build your wealth. 1. Eliminate debt and spend less than you earn. One of the most important steps in creating wealth is to eliminate debt and spend less than you earn. To do this, you must first understand your current financial situation. Take an inventory of your income and expenses, including any debt that you may have. Then, create a budget that will allow you to save money and reduce your debt. Start by paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit cards, as this will save you money in the long run. Then, look for ways to reduce your expenses and increase your income. This may mean cutting back on unnecessary spending or finding additional sources of income, such as freelance work or investing in stocks. Once you have a plan for eliminating debt and spending less than you earn, stick to it. Make sure to set aside a portion of every paycheck for savings and pay off any debts promptly. You may also want to speak with a financial advisor or wealth coach to help ensure that your investments are tax efficient and aligned with your goals. 2. Focus on income and expenses. When it comes to getting rich slowly but surely, one of the most important steps is to focus on your income and expenses. Being aware of your cash flow is key to staying on track with your financial goals. Here are some ways you can do this. A. Track your spending. You need to know what you're spending money on in order to make informed decisions about your finances. Track your expenses for at least a month to get a better idea of where your money is going. You might want to use a financial software package to help you do this. B. Cut your expenses. Start cutting your expenses so that you can save at least 10% of your income each month, the richest man in Babylon technique. This will take time, but it's worth it in the long run, as it's one of the best paths to wealth. C. Find ways to generate additional income. Consider alternative sources of income, such as taking on a side hustle or investing in stocks or real estate. Additional income streams can help you reach your financial goals sooner. D. Invest wisely. Investing is another way to grow your wealth over time, so make sure you know what you're doing before you start investing. Invest in cash flow producing assets and look for opportunities to take risks when appropriate. By focusing on income and expenses, you can create a plan that will help you get rich slowly but surely. 3. Learn to save. Saving money is essential if you want to get rich slowly but surely. The best way to begin saving money is to practice the pay yourself first technique. This involves setting aside a certain amount of money from every paycheck and putting it into a savings account. You should also focus on income and expenses, and make sure you're spending less than you're earning. 4. Create and stick to a financial plan. Creating and sticking to a financial plan is key to getting rich slowly but surely. It's not enough to simply save money, you need to have a clear plan on how to use it. Start by identifying your costs and income streams, then calculate how much you make or lose each month. Set ambitious, yet achievable goals by breaking down your long-term objectives into shorter ones. Budget your money and prioritize what needs to be done first. Automate your savings and set aside money for emergencies. Don't invest in get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on long-term growth strategies like index funds or dividend stocks. Learn a simple but effective 12-step program to achieving financial freedom from the personal finance experts at name of website. During market downturns, it's tempting to panic and rework your financial plan, but remember that building wealth takes time and patience, so stick with it. 5. Find ways to generate additional income. Generating additional income is a key component of getting rich slowly but surely. It can help you build wealth and reach financial security, and it can also give you an extra boost of confidence knowing that you have multiple sources of income. To get started, consider these strategies for generating additional income. Start a business. Starting a business can be risky, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. If you have an idea for a product or service that you think, invest in stocks or real estate. Investing in stocks or real estate can be another great way to generate additional income. You'll need to be familiar with the stock market and real estate market before investing, so make sure to do your research before making any decisions. Rent out space. If you own property or have an extra room in your house, consider renting it out. This could mean renting out an entire house, apartment, or room on sites like Airbnb or Vrbo, or renting out office space or storage space if you have extra space in your building. Offer freelance services. Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular and provides a great way to generate additional income without having to commit to a full-time job. Consider what skills you have that people might need and look for opportunities where those skills could be used as freelance services. Get creative. There are plenty of other ways to generate additional income through creative endeavors like writing books, creating artwork, producing music, etc. Think outside the box and explore ways that you can make money using the skills and talents that you already possess. 6. Invest wisely. Investing your money wisely is the key to getting rich slowly but surely. Investing can help you reach your long-term financial goals and build wealth over time. Here are some tips on how to invest wisely to help you reach your goals. Research different investment options and understand how each works. Set a budget for investing and stick to it, even when markets fluctuate. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic areas. Evaluate risks associated with each investment and make sure you're comfortable with them. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio regularly to maintain your desired risk level. Consult a financial advisor if needed, who can help you create an investment plan tailored to your needs. 7. Protect your money. One of the best ways to get rich slowly but surely is to protect your money. If you want to ensure that your wealth grows steadily, you'll need to take steps to shield your savings from unexpected losses. Here are some tips to help you do just that. Keep your savings in a secure bank account. Make sure the bank you choose is FDIC insured and offers competitive interest rates. Create an emergency fund. Set aside money in case of a financial emergency so you don't have to dip into your long-term savings or investments. Invest in low-risk assets. You may not get the highest returns, but you'll be protected from large losses in a volatile market. Diversify your investments. By investing in multiple asset classes, you can reduce your risk of losing large amounts of money on one investment. Monitor your investments regularly. Check up on how your investments are doing and make sure you're still on track with your goals. By following these tips, you can protect your money and get rich slowly but surely. 8. Look for opportunities to take risks. Risk is an important part of life, and the same applies to getting rich slowly but surely. While it's important to be cautious and protect your money, it's also important to take calculated risks in order to grow your wealth. Look for opportunities that provide a balance between risk and reward. Don't invest all of your money in high-risk ventures, but do consider investing a portion of your assets in moderate or high-risk investments that can potentially yield greater returns. When taking risks, Do your research and make sure you understand the potential rewards and the potential risks associated with each investment. 9. Build a portfolio. Building a diversified portfolio is essential for long-term success. To minimize risk and maximize gains, it is important to have a portfolio that contains uncorrelated investments. This can be achieved by investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and other asset classes. Having a diversified portfolio helps to spread out the risk and increase your potential return. To get started, you'll need to create a financial plan and invest in yourself. Make sure to save regularly and invest early for the long term. It's also smart to build a cash reserve in case of emergencies. Additionally, research different types of investments and determine which ones are right for you. Knowing why you're investing and what you expect of your money is also important. Lastly, don't forget to look for opportunities to take risks while still protecting your money. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can build a diversified portfolio that will set you up for long-term success. Stay positive and believe in yourself.